Welcome back to Roatan. I'm Sophia Fedio and I'm your Roatan Realtor. Today we're at Infinity Bay.
So here we are in Unit 104. This is a beachfront unit on the second floor. It's a beautiful unit that's recently been renovated from top to bottom. So let's go have a look.
This condo has a large covered deck accessible from both the master bedroom and the living room. This open concept living space is great for entertaining. This recently renovated kitchen is beautiful with new granite countertops and kitchen cabinets. Additionally, new appliances have been installed. The master bedroom is just off the main kitchen area and has access to the covered deck. It is a great size with a fully renovated bathroom. The secondary bedroom also is a lock-off to increase your rental revenue. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.